In the throbbing heart of Shanghai, during the tumultuous era of the late 19th century, a clandestine world thrived amidst the bustling streets. This was the age of imperial decadence, where wealth and vice intertwined in a dance of opulence and depravity, and at the heart of it all, the opium den was the pulsating core. The opium dens, these dimly lit lairs of addiction, were hidden beneath the veneer of respectability, nestled in the labyrinthine alleyways, their entrances disguised as unassuming stores or dwellings. Inside, the air was thick with the narcotic fragrance of opium, a pungent scent that spoke of secrets and sin. The denizens of these hidden lairs were a motley crew, the rich, the fallen, the desperate, and the lost. They sought solace in the numbing embrace of the drug, their lives spiraling into a dark abyss from which there was no return. The den owners, shrewd and calculating, profited handsomely from their misery, their coffers overflowing with the blood money of addiction. The Chinese government, aware of the devastating impact of opium on its populace, declared war on this insidious menace. In 1907, the Imperial Maritime Customs Service, under the leadership of Sir Harry Britain, launched a relentless campaign against the opium dens. The dens were raided, the drugs confiscated, and the dealers arrested. However, the war was far from over. The den owners, ever adaptable, merely shifted their operations to lesser-known areas, while the demand for opium continued to grow. The cycle of addiction and exploitation continued, the opium dens becoming a symbol of Shanghai's dark underbelly, a testament to the city's complex and tumultuous history. Despite the efforts to eradicate the opium dens, they remained a persistent reminder of the city's dark past, a shadow that lingered long after the last den was raided. The opium dens of Shanghai, though a blight on the city, were a stark reminder of the city's resilience, its ability to endure and adapt in the face of adversity. The opium dens of Shanghai, a testament to the city's vice and decadence, stood as a grim monument to a bygone era, a dark chapter in the city's storied history. Yet, they also served as a reminder of the city's spirit, its unyielding determination to rise above adversity, to persist in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. In the annals of Shanghai's history, the opium dens stand as a poignant reminder of a time when the city was a microcosm of vice and virtue, a place where the darkest secrets and the brightest dreams coalesced in a dance of light and shadow. The opium dens, though a blight on the city, were a testament to Shanghai's enduring spirit, a symbol of the city's indomitable will, its unwavering resolve to rise above the darkness.